It's Barbecue. Welcome back to another episode. Today we're doing a stuffed pork loin. We whipped up some stuffing a little bit earlier. We're going to stuff one of these guys. We have two nice loins over here. We have this guy here and its buddy next to it. So what we're going to do is we're going to do this one stuffed and we're doing that one Dad's way. So what we're going to do, we'll slice this guy right down the center. You don't want to slice all the way through, so pay attention while you're doing it. I have done these before where I sliced all the way through, and that's kind of bad. So that's our first guy. What I do like to do ahead of time is I cut my string and I just lay it out underneath. It makes the end a lot easier. The end makes the tying it up a lot easier. Sometimes when you're on camera you say silly things. So one of the reasons I got into cooking, I need a spoon. I got into cooking because I needed spoons. Now, I got into cooking because, well, this is my happy place. I hope you guys find your happy place. That's what it's all about for me. I got into YouTube, well, just because it's fun. Yeah. Let's have a good time with this stuff. So we're going to stuff this guy pretty good. Boy, does that stuffing smell unbelievably good. And that's enough. And I only have about 10 pounds left over. So, then what we're going to do, we'll just roll this guy right up like so. Now we'll take our cooking twine. And we'll tie that off. Now we have our next guy hanging out. We do have the Traeger warmed up outside. We're going to do that at 275 degrees today. I'm tying this like I'm tying a shoe, I don't know why. So this is perfect, wow. I'll show you right up there or over here how I made the stuffing. It was really quite simple. So perfect. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take this guy we're just going to put a little salt, pepper, and garlic on it. So I have some garlic powder. Sprinkle that right over the top. Now we'll spin them. And this guy is just about ready to plop outside on the Traeger. We are going to cook this at 275 degrees. I'm thinking it's going to take a couple hours because it is pretty big, and I do want to get it up to about 145, 150 degrees. You can cook pork at a medium rare now, but I'm not into that. I kind of like my pork medium well, so we'll get that guy like that. Now what we're going to do is we got this guy. This guy we're cooking for my father. My father doesn't like all of this stuff. He likes a nice, simple pork. So all we're going to do with this guy, put some garlic over the top, just like my mother used to make when I was a kid. Garlic the whole thing. All sides of it. Then we'll take our pepper, our salt rather, some pepper. And then we're going to put this guy right in the oven. We got the oven warmed up behind me at 350 degrees. So we'll get this guy right in there and we'll cook it for about an hour. So let's get this guy out onto the Traeger, this guy in the oven. Alright guys, welcome back into the kitchen. Our roast here came out, oh, they look absolutely amazing. So, happy anniversary to the mask. It was just about 1 year ago that we all started wearing these things. So, I challenge you, find your happy place. List it down below, whatever it might be. If you enjoy going out golfing, playing around the golf, have at it. You enjoy hunting, have at it. Whatever it is you enjoy doing that makes you happy, find it. This is my happy place. Challenge you. Put it down below in the comments. Let me know what makes you happy. Now, we gotta give this thing a try. That is gonna make me beyond happy. Oh my goodness. Is this guy looking beautiful? So, of course, we're going to start with the one that I would prefer. The one with our friend, the stuffing inside. And it looks absolutely amazing. Oh. That taste is phenomenal. Boy, is that good. Nice hint of smoke from the Traeger. The stuffing's remarkable. Unbelievable. Now let's give Dad's a try and see how we did over here. Oh, boy. Nice and moist. Oh, is that good? Wow. That one is just as good. Different flavor to it. The garlic is permeating right through. Unbelievable. Wow. If you like what you see, guys, as much as I do, please click that like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and stop back next week. Unreal.